Alright, hello everyone. This is just a progress report on my Voxel style, Minecraft style game. So here's what I've got so far. Oops. I'm using the alpha version of UPBGE 3.0.3. So I've got a successful building system in place with all kinds of different blocks that can occupy one's imagination. Cool stuff. You know, the works. So, basically, here's what we're going to do. I'm just going to be testing out the chunk system. So basically, once we've got all this, but we also have this set of strings here. They're separated by a semicolon in a chunk file. So it's 4 pieces of information: a block ID and a position by the first strings, and it's parsed out of these, and it places them in the world. So I've got it key binded to K currently, and we're just going to try it out. So it should just summon like 4 pieces of stone in a staircase, a diagonal staircase. I seem to have accidentally broken the textures. That's what we get when there is an alpha. I'm just going to show all, hide all. We don't actually need it, whatever. So I'm just going to hit K, and there it is. Okay, so this is part of my test to get the chunk generator going. So when it's all done, there will be 16 by 16 grids of placeable chunks that'll go off in infinite directions. I'm working on setting up a Sky Island system. So that is my current progress report using the alpha version of UPBGE to get a Minecraft style game going. I'm trying to be as efficient as possible, so I'm using as much Python as is humanly possible. I've already got a number of scripts in the works, and it's just getting larger from here. So yeah, hopefully this works out. I'm going ready. This is the progress report. Bye.